Let's bring in Jason Katz. He is managing director at UBS. So, Jason, there's sort of a which is a greater concern to investors right now? The political concerns that we spoke a little bit about with Mark, or concerns about the virus and the economic openings? Which do you think takes precedence?
Well, obviously they both, David, have an influencing factor, but I would say the former of the two really is what's weighing on most investors' minds. I'll tell you anecdotally, in conversations with my clients, their concern is that with the uncertainty, as your previous guest pointed out, with respect to knowing the outcome of the election, or the rancor that's going on now with respect to the Supreme Court seat, that leads to not only market uncertainty, but what does it mean for fiscal stimulus? In our view, it's unlikely that we're going to get it before the election.
Well, and I don't think we will either, although there are bits and pieces of this grand scheme that Democrats have, their $3 trillion plan. There are bits and pieces of it that are already being worked out between the Trump administration and states, in particular the unemployment checks that are going out. I think there are over 30 states now that have made deals with the feds to do that. So maybe in piecemeal, there will be ways that it can get done between now and the election.
A skinny deal would certainly appease the markets, but what they ultimately need to see is funding of the government and that next round of stimulus, and certainly the outcome of the election, to say the least.
All right. I'm happy if the government doesn't get that much money, but that's just me. Jason Katz, good to see you, friend. Thank you very much.